Struggling to keep up with medical school? Feeling overwhelmed by all the information you need to memorize? You're not alone. In this video, you'll learn how to master AMBOSS and turn it into your secret weapon for acing exams. AMBOSS offers a suite of features that set it apart from other medical education platforms. One of the standout features is its comprehensive Q-Bank, which includes real exam-style questions designed to mimic the actual test experience. This allows students to practice under realistic conditions and better prepare for their exams. Each question in the Q-Bank is accompanied by detailed explanations that go beyond simply stating the right or wrong answers. These explanations provide in-depth insights into the reasoning behind each answer, helping students to understand the material more thoroughly. Additionally, AMBOSS features an integrated medical library that allows students to dive deep into any topic they are studying. This library is a valuable resource for comprehensive research and understanding. To help students track their progress, AMBOSS includes performance analytics tools. These tools enable students to identify their strengths and weaknesses, allowing them to focus their study efforts more effectively and improve their overall performance. How AMBOSS keeps up with new board exam trends and curriculum updates. In the ever-evolving world of medical education, staying current is crucial. AMBOSS ensures that its content is always aligned with the latest exam formats and medical guidelines. This means that as a student, you can trust that the material you are studying is relevant and up to date. Whether it's new question types or updated clinical guidelines, AMBOSS has you covered. The personalized learning paths that adapt to your weaknesses. AMBOSS uses advanced algorithms to analyze your performance and identify areas where you need improvement. It then creates a customized study plan tailored specifically to your needs. This personalized approach not only makes your study sessions more efficient, but also helps you focus on the topics that will make the biggest impact on your exam scores. Imagine having an AI tutor that knows exactly what you need to review next. With AMBOSS, this is a reality. The AI tutor continuously monitors your progress and provides real-time feedback, guiding you through complex topics and ensuring you understand the material thoroughly. This innovative technology transforms the way you prepare for exams, making your study experience more interactive and effective. AMBOSS is built around these powerful learning techniques, designed to optimize your study sessions and ensure you grasp complex medical concepts effectively. One of the key techniques is active recall, which strengthens memory by forcing you to retrieve information. This method is proven to enhance retention and understanding, making it easier to recall information during exams. Another essential technique is spaced repetition, which helps you remember concepts for the long term. By reviewing material at increasing intervals, you can move information from short-term to long-term memory, ensuring it stays with you throughout your medical career. And finally, self-assessment is crucial. It prepares you for exam day pressure by simulating test conditions and helping you identify areas where you need further review. This comprehensive approach ensures you're not just memorizing facts, but truly understanding and applying your knowledge. If you've been struggling to find an all-in-one study resource, AMBOSS might just be your best bet. Quick recap of why AMBOSS works. Smart Q-Bank plus in-depth explanations equals better understanding. AI-powered personalization equals efficient studying. Evidence-based techniques equal higher retention. Try it out, see the difference for yourself, and let me know in the comments. How has AMBOSS changed your study game? If you're one and more student study apps, check out my next video on Notion.